Tired of confusing website visitors with a messy, hard-to-navigate fact page? In this video, I'll show you how to build a beautiful and functional facts section in Elementor that keeps your audience engaged and informed, all in under 90 seconds. First, open the Elementor editor on the page where you want to add your fact. Let's start by searching for the Accordion widget. Drag and drop it into your desired section. This widget provides a clean, collapsible format perfect for facts. Now, let's populate the Accordion widget with your fact content. Click on the first item to expand it in the title field. Enter your question in the content area below. Provide a concise and helpful answer. Repeat this process for each question you want to include in your fact. Think about the questions your visitors frequently ask and provide clear, direct answers. Now, let's customize the look and feel of our fact section. Go to the Style tab in the Elementor editor. Here, you can change the background color, text color, font, and other styling options to match your website's design. Pay attention to mobile responsiveness. Click the responsive Mo icon and ensure your fact section looks great on all devices. Adjust font sizes and spacing as needed to optimize the mobile experience. To enhance user experience, consider adding icons to each Accordion item for better visual appeal. You can easily do this in the Content tab within each item's settings. Finally, remember to test your fact section. Click through each question to ensure the answers are displaying correctly and the overall experience is smooth. And that's it. Now you have a professional, user-friendly fact section built with Elementor that provides instant answers to your visitors' questions, improving their overall experience on your website. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Elementor tutorials.